Ladies and gentlemen, if you're wondering how to get a copy of your tax return from the IRS, we're going to show you exactly how to do it. So let us jump straight in. There are two ways to get a copy of your tax return from the IRS: a transcript or a photocopy. A transcript is a summary of your tax return information. A photocopy is an exact replica of the actual tax return. A transcript is free and it's easy to get. You can get it online by mail or even by phone. To get it online, you need to register and verify your identity on the IRS website. To get it by mail, you need to fill out and send a form 4506T or a 4506TEZ to the IRS. To get it by phone, you need to call 800-908-9946 and follow their voice prompts. A photocopy is more complete and official than a transcript, but it does cost $43 and it takes a little bit longer to receive. You can only get it by mail. You need to fill out and send a form 4506 to the IRS along with the payment and a copy of your photo identification. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments section below. We'll see you next time.